Bought a whole box of tools. Paid £8 for this. I don't really know what's in here. A huge tool spanner. Cheap spanners. Chisel, punch. Box spanner. Apollo. Nice condition. Nice bit of steel. Oh, plenty of spanners in the bottom there. We've got a load of brittle. Absolute loads. Well, that's Bedford. See that? Nice make. Brittle. There's a load in there. Absolute load. A bent hammer. Don't think I'll be doing anything with that, to be fair. Some nice cold chisels. I like these. I'll do that up. Yeah, got a nice little screwdriver. Yeah, not that old, I don't think, but I'll polish up nice. A few little bits and spares. Interesting. Yeah, these will clean up nice as well. So all in all, about £8 for that. And the rest of the haul I've got here, I probably paid, I reckon, £20 in all for the whole bunch. I mean, these foils, I paid 20p each. A little bit of haggling. Paid 20p for that. Okay, it's cheap Chinese rubbish really, but I do like the shape of that. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.